Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In today's video, we will understand an important VTU exam topic, pattern matching and KMP algorithm. This question is frequently asked for 8 to 10 marks. Let's start with the basics. Pattern matching is the process of searching for a pattern string P inside a text string T. The goal is to check whether the pattern exists and at which position it occurs. For example, text equal to AB, 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 AB. We need to find AB or AB, AB, ABC like that. In C, we use str function for this, but internally it uses simple sequential matching which is inefficient. Problem with native pattern matching. In native pattern matching, every mismatch causes us to restart comparison. Characters are compared again and again. Time complexity becomes O of n cross m, where n is the length of text and m is the length of pattern. This is slow for large strings. So to solve this problem, we use the KMP algorithm. KMP stands for Knuth, Morris and Pratt. Never recheck characters. Never recheck characters in the text that are already matched. It achieves this using a failure function, also called the prefix function or LPS array. The failure function f of j tells how much the pattern can be shifted when a mismatch occurs. For a pattern P equal to P naught P1 up to Pm minus 1, f of j is the largest index where I is less than j such that prefix of P of 0 up to I equal to suffix of P of j minus I up to j. If no such prefix exists, then f of j equal to minus 1. Purpose is avoid backtracking, reduce unnecessary comparisons. Failure function is computed in O of m time. Then matching process. Now let's understand how KMP performs matching. We use two pointers I equal to text string, j equal to pattern string. Start with I equal to 0, j equal to 0. If t of I is equal to p of j, increment both. If mismatch occurs, if j equal to 0, move I forward, else j equal to f of j minus 1 plus 1. Continue until j equal to m pattern, which means pattern found, I equal to n pattern not found. If matched, return I minus m, else return minus 1. And here is the pseudocode. Now let's understand the very important part of this question, which is time complexity and space complexity. Pre-processing time is O of m, matching time is O of n. Total time complexity will become O of n plus m. Space complexity is O of m. Advantage of KMP: no backtracking in text, linear time complexity, efficient for large strings, perfect replacement for native pattern matching. To conclude, pattern matching finds a pattern in a text. KMP algorithm uses a failure function to optimize matching. Time complexity is O of n plus m. This topic is highly important for VTU exam. If you want these notes, join our Telegram channel. Link is in the description. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you.